No pets? Okay, that's okay. What about your brother? You're still eating? Would you like some pets? Give you some pets? No more pets? Oh, come here. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, sweetheart. I won't try to pick you up, I promise. Just little pets here and there. Come on. Oh, thank you. Thank you, sweetheart. I'm guessing lots of people try to pick you up, and that's why you ran away. It's too much for you. Just little pets is good. Right, sweetheart? About you? People try to pick you up too? Is that why you run away? Hmm? It feels good. See? I'm not going to grab you, don't worry. Nice and soft and gentle. Nice and gentle. Yeah. Nice and easy. I'm not going to jump at you. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. No, I'm not going to jump at you. Don't worry. You don't have to be afraid. Good boy.